السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إن الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده أما بعد. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقل رب زدني علما. وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: من يرد الله به خيرا يفقهه في الدين، أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Invited guests, respectable principal, beloved teachers, dear students and my companions, as well as dear audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and very good evening to all. I am really thankful to you because you have given me a chance to discuss before you about the importance of knowledge. Knowledge is the most powerful thing in this world because it can create and destroy life. It helps us to distinguish between humans and animals. Knowledge is the most valuable thing in the world, and the knowledgeable person is the richest person on earth because everything can be bought with money, but knowledge couldn't be bought from anywhere. It has to be learned. The more you share your knowledge, the more it increases. Nobody can steal your knowledge, but somebody can steal your wealth. Knowledge is a power that guides us to the right path. It helps us to distinguish good and bad things. Dear audience, now I am going to discuss the importance of knowledge in the light of Islam. Knowledge is more important than wealth and property. Knowledge is among the important things which Allah directed Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to pray that he will be granted more of it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, "Aqul Rabbi zidni ilma," and say, "O my Lord, increase me in knowledge." The gift of knowledge and the use of writing and reading is a blessing from Allah to make ourselves better servants of God. We must understand that obtaining knowledge is a form of worship, a way to show our gratitude towards Allah. Islam considered searching knowledge like saying prayers and fasting, as well as additional acts of worshipping. Anas ibn Malik radiallahu anhu narrates that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Talabul ilmi fariidatun ala kulli Muslim." The seeking of knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ, and say, can those who know and those who don't know be equal? Definitely no. Besides, by searching for Islamic knowledge, we can be successful in the present life as well as in the hereafter on the day of resurrection. Dear audience, but the fact of regret is that nowadays most of the children are deprived of their educational rights. Who is responsible for it? Definitely their parents are responsible for it. They make their children do a job to earn more money. Yes, some children are deprived of education due to their poverty. Dear brothers, now I am going to discuss the merits and benefits of the knowledge in our life. Although knowledge is obtainable, Allah gives it to a person whom He intends good. In a hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned how knowledge is given to a person whom Allah intends good. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ma yuridillahu bihi khayran yufaqihu fid din." If Allah intends goodness for a person, He gives him the understanding for the religion. Ulama, what means Islamic educated person in the earth, like the stars in the sky. Indeed, they have a light of knowledge that guides them to the right way and guides them to the way of paradise. And Anas ibn Malik radiallahu anhu narrates that, إن مثل العلماء كمثل النجوم في السماء يهتدى بها في ظلمات البر والبحر فإذا طمست النجوم أوشك أن تضل الهداة. Anas ibn Malik radiallahu anhu narrates that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, indeed, the example of the ulama is like that of stars in the sky, by which guidance is obtained in the darkness of the land and water. When stars lost their radiance, it is likely that travelers will go astray. Dear audience, everybody should be educated in Islamic education to lead his life according to the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and according to the satisfaction of his life, his Lord Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah gives us tawfiq to learn Islamic education and preach it in the earth and enter the paradise getting his satisfaction. Amin, amin. No more today. See you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.